Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. We were in the chapter 4 decimal fractions in page number 67, that is exercise 4E. In the previous class we have discussed some sums. Few more sums are there for us to discuss it. All of you open page number 67, that is exercise 4E. Second question, first one. 18.35 into 1.2. Correct to nearest hundredths. We should correct this result to the nearest hundredths. That means up to hundredths place only we should write to that too with correction. What is the correction? We will see that part now. So that 18.35 should multiply with 1.2 like an ordinary multiplication. Suppose it is like a 12th table I have used, and 12 5s are 60, like that. 12 3s are 36 plus 6, 42, 4 is carried and 2 is written down. 12 8s are 96 and 400. 12 1s 12 and 10 22. Like that I have multiplied like an ordinary numbers. Here point is after one digit. Here point is after two digits. Point is after two digits. Point is after one digit. Total after three digits. Here is point is after one digit. Here point is after two digits. Total points after three digits. So point arranged after three digits in its product. Okay now? Then that changed as 22.02. This 0 is in 10th place. This is in 100th place. This is in 1000th place. This 1000th place 0 only. We don't want that. Up to 100th place only we want. So this 0 I have ignored. Other than this means 0 and 2 only written. That too when corrected to nearest hundreds I have written. It is clear now students? So this is this 0 is in 1000th place. That is 0 and we can ignore that. Up to this 100th place, that is 10th, 100th. Up to that 100th place we want, so directly I have taken. If at all this 1000th place which I am going to remove is either 5 or more than 5, then 1 should be given to the previous 100th place digit. Here is this is 0, it is less than 5 only, so we can ignore it. Up to that 100th place only I have written. It is clear now? That is when corrected to nearest hundredths place. Okay now? Then we will go for third question. First one in the same page 67, 35.06. Write significant figures in it. The meaning of the significant figures is, figures are nothing but digits. All those digits, how many are there in this? All those we have to count and we will write. That is called significant figures. Is it clear? But those figures are valid or not, we have to think of. Here 35.06. How many are there? First one, second one, third one, fourth one. All the four are valid ones only. Yes or no? All the four are having their values. So that all the four can be called as significant figures in the given question is equal to 4. 4 means there are 4 digits in the given question. Those 4 digits are 4 figures are valid, or that means they have some values, place values, and that can be countable here. Yes or no? That's why 4 are there. Let us see second bit. Here 0.35. This 0 has no value actually. Simply before the point nothing is there, no? So that we have placed 0. Actually that is. This can be written as 0.35 also. We need not write always 0.35. it can also be written as 0.35. Then when we have the 0.35, how many digits are there in that? 3, 5. Only 2 digits. That's why significant figures in the given question is equal to 2. Is it clear? 0.35 can also written as 0.35. This 0 cannot be counted, being it is a leftmost digit for the number and having no value actually. This can also be written as 0.35. Then if we count the number of figures or the digits in that decimal point, then only 2 digits are there. 3 and 5, 2 digits. That's why significant figures in the given question is equal to 2. Am I correct? Then let us see in question 3 only 6th bit. 4.2 into 0.6. We have to multiply, then we will get one answer. Then we have to see number of significant figures or the digits in that product. For that 4.2 I have multiplied with 0.6 like an ordinary multiplication, and finally I have got an answer 2.52. All the digits are valid and having their place values now. So 2.52. Total how many digits are there? 3 digits. First digit, second digit, third digit. 3 digits are there. Significant figures in the product of both given 4.2 into 0.6 is equal to 3 we have. That 3 is nothing but 3 figures are appearing or 3 digits are appearing in the product what we got from the given question. Am I correct? Can we go for the 4th question of the same page? In the 4th question actually there are 3 bits given. Bit number 1, 2 and 3. In the first bit I am teaching. Other 2 bits you can able to do them in your revision book, because same method of doing only. Just listen about the first bit. Based on this you can do that second and third bits. Is it okay, students? Then listen here. Fourth question first. We have to correct to 3 significant figures. We have to correct the given questions to 3 significant figures. We will see that 3 significant figures. What are those? 35.869. Here 3 significant figures only they want. First one, second one, having values, no? Okay. Then third one, that is this is 8 there actually. 35.8 we have. Up to 3 figures only they ask you. But next 4th digit is more than 5. This 4th digit is more than 5. First digit, second digit, third digit, up to 3rd digit only they asked actually, because 3 significant figures only they are asking us to write. So first digit, second digit, 3rd digit, no. Then we need to observe that 4th digit also. That 4th digit given here are 6. That is bigger than 5. The digit which is bigger than 5, that only we are going to remove. Then we should give 1 to the previous. When the 4th digit is either equal to 5 or more than 5, whenever we want to remove that, then we should give 1 to the previous digit. So 8 is received 1 from that. Then 8 becomes 9. That is only 35.9. Then in the answer we have 3 significant figures, because we have corrected the given decimal fraction or decimal number. Only 3 significant figures they are asking. So that is the method through which we can do it. Is it clear for you? Then next one is here 0.008426. Here this is a decimal. So all these are this without this starting to 0, we can call it as 0.008426. 0.00846. Actually, up to the 3rd digit only we should write as we have seen earlier, but this having no value. So we can take the values digits only when we correct that. Whenever the zeros were appear like this, those zeros we are unable to correct to the nearest 3 digits or nearest any other. Correct to the 3 significant figures or 2 significant figures cannot be done when the zeros are written like this. Then we will see the numbers and we will write them. Then all this zeros part we will take as it is, that 8, 4, 2. Up to the 3 digits which are valid. 8 is a valid one, 4 is a valid digit, 2 is a valid digit. Up to the 2 we want to write, because 3 valid digits we have to write, I said, which are valid or needed for us. So up to the 2 I have to write. Then I have to check the next digit, that is whether equal to 5 or more than 5 or less than 5. This digit is more than 5 only. Either equal to 5 or more than 5, whenever we want to remove such a digit, then 1 should be given to the previous digit. Then only we can ignore that other digit. So that 8, 4, 3 I have to write, because that 6 I am going to leave or ignore. When connected to 3 valid digits, that becomes like that. Actually up to here only I should correct, but these zeros are not having any value for them, so we cannot stop up to 8. We can go for the up to 2. Then the 2 changed as 3. Am I correct? So this is the answer we got. 3 significant figures. Is it clear? Because in the answer part 2, 3 figures we have to get. Those 3 figures also should have valid. In this answer part we have 3 figures are with valid. Other ones are not having any valid. That's why this can be the answer for this type of sums. I hope it is clear for you. Okay. Then we will see about it. 4.952. Here this is valid. Every digit is valid only. So only 3 digits we have to take here, not like this one. Then 4.95 and up to this is third digit, first digit, second digit, third digit. Up to 5 only we must take. Then we should observe the next digit, that is equal to 5 or more than 5 or less than 5. This 2 is less than 5, so simply we can ignore that without any addition to it. So that 4.95, there are 3 significant figures in the answer. Those 3 are also valid ones, valid digits or valid figures. Am I correct? Next, last one, 382.7. Here total 4 figures are valid, 4 digits or 4 figures. But only 3 we want. First digit, second digit, third digit. Up to this 2 only I must write as answer. But this one I have to check now. It is more than 5. That 2 we want to remove, which is more than 5 here. So that 1 should be given to it too. Then 383 it will be. So 3 valid digits are there now. Now we have connected to the 3 significant figures. In the same way, if you think of fourth question, second bit and third bit we can do. That is, those are very easy for us. You can do that part in the revision book or any of the rough notes. Okay, students? So I hope these are clear for you. With other part of teaching, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you, students. Take care.